Hey, this is Amber, and I just sped away from Sarah on my motorboat. Okay, you're gonna come on me on a journey to run away from Sarah, because she's on her way now. No! Ow! Oh my god! Giant hobo! Let's run away! Oh no! Come back! Ow! Ow! You just jammed my hair bow into my scalp. No. Get off me!
Run me over.
Let's run Sarah over.
Hey, you don't say that.
TV. TV. Let's go look at the awesomest room in ever. Look at her run away. Let's watch her run up the steps. Only if she had a dress on. I'm kidding.
Get away from
That's
me.
a cool room.
Get away from me. I don't like you.
Look at her run away. Look at her butt. I'm kidding. Let's hide. We are hiding. Under this mystical chair. She'll never find us here. Oh, she's never gonna find us. Darn, one of my studs fell off my belt. Shh, I think she's coming. She'll never find us here, we don't have to worry. She says her shoe is untied. Oh, here she comes.